got a Freud glue joint bit here. We've done a couple of videos now, I think, on glue joint bits. They generally come in a variety of sizes, and this one here will do 19mm timber or potentially smaller, up to around 30mm. Essentially what one of these bits does is allows you to do away with a more traditional method of joining, the panels to make a table, like biscuit joining or dominoes. And it gives you a continuous reference face with tons of surface area that lines your boards up perfectly every time and gives you a lot of room for the glue to grab and hold very firmly. So you get clean faces straight away. When you're clamping, you don't need to use cauls to stop everything moving up and down, and there's way less finishing because everything is flat to begin with. So it's a simple join, it's really useful, it's a very easy way to laminate a desk, a table, a bench, that sort of thing, and it allows you to get an incredibly strong join. Obviously for a joint like this, you're not going to sand in that join, but a smooth join means a really, really strong join. So anytime you have inconsistencies or tear out, that's places where the glue isn't going to be able to do its job. Whereas a join that sits together perfectly flush and just really, really tight provides a ton of room for the glue to hold on super tight and give you an incredibly strong join for your table or whatever other piece you're creating. So with some pretty quick setup, you can get an incredibly efficient and strong way to join boards. If you're interested in how to set this up, we have a whole video on it. There's a link just up here. I actually used an existing piece I had just then to set the height, and that's a really simple way to do it once you've already done it the first time. So if you're just experimenting with this for the first time, check out that link. Otherwise, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. We will have a bunch more stuff on Freud router bits and table saw blades coming out soon, so I'll see you soon in one of the next videos.